Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. So in the previous video we have learned about the WordPress themes. And now in this video we are going to have a look at plugins. As we know, WordPress is an open source and that means that developers around the world had access to the source code and could create plugins and themes for WordPress. So let's have a look at how we can use plugins in WordPress. So if you log in to your dashboard and go down to plugins here in the menu, when you will click, you may or may not find any installed plugin. So let's go and click on add new plugin, and this will take us to the WordPress plugin repository. We have seen it before in the previous video where we have mentioned the classic editor. Classic editor is no longer, as Gutenberg is the default editor, but as you saw in the previous video, you can add functionality by installing this plugin, Classic Editor. There are lots and lots of different plugins that add lots and lots of different features to your site. For example, if you want to add a contact form to the WordPress, then you need to download a contact form plugin. So we will write here contact form. So you will see here there is a plugin contact form 7. So I'll click on install now. So if I'll click on install now, after installing, the contact form will create a contact form on your site. So if we will click on the popular, you will see some of the popular plugins. Here is a Elementor website builder, contact form 7, Yoast SEO, classic editor, WooCommerce, WP forms, all-in-one WP migration and backup, security plugin, Jetpack plugin, SSL for your site, and the list goes on and on and on. To show you how easy it is to install a plugin, we will just install Yoast SEO. So we will click on install now. So before installing, we have a quick look at some of the features. Here, have a quick look. Now we have a 10 plus million active installations compatible with your version of WordPress. It's a 5-star plugin. So we will click on install now. The next step is to click on activate. So we will click on activate. You have successfully installed Yoast SEO. When you activate plugin, you will get a new menu item down here in the menu called Yoast SEO. So we have installed Yoast SEO. It has two versions. One is the premium version and one is a free version. So we have installed free version. So Yoast also have the premium version also. So in this way, we can add plugins to your website, or we can install plugins from the WordPress repository. From the WordPress repository, we can install the free plugins. So we have installed the Yoast SEO. That is a free version that we have installed from the WordPress repository. So I'm going to install Elementor. So let's click on the add new and type here Elementor. Now you can see This is the Elementor website builder. So I'll click on the install now. As soon as it's installed, we will activate it. You can see here there is 10 plus million active installation of this plugin. The rating is 4.5 and this is the plugin that we'll use for a page builder. Elementor is also have a pro version. So I'll click on activate. You can see over here in the menu, you are here. Let's get connected. Elementor. So I'll go back to the dashboard. You can see here over the menu, I have got a new menu item called Elementor. I have also got this templates which is added by Elementor. So in this video we have learned how to install and activate plugins in the WordPress. So in the next video we will learn about how to create a page and a post.